Alright, so we're at a point in the pipe where it dropped down into some water. This is the turn right here going out to the main. It still holds water a little bit because the pipe is broken on certain points. But it drains out. This is the right side that carries the laundry, the kitchen, and the laundry and the kitchen. Right here is having a hard time because it's a belly where we just pulled from out of the water. That's why we still have, it looks like a little bit of scale and there's dirt inside the system because the pipe has breaks on this side. The jetter couldn't jet it all the way out because of the belly. Alright, so parts of the bottom is missing on the pipe right here. That's why the jetter couldn't pull all the scale out of it. But it's not going to hold any water. It's going to still drain out as usual because the only thing that comes through this section is just the laundry and the kitchen. So you see, this is one of the holes that you can visibly see right here on the camera. See how the section of the pipe is broken at the bottom right there. When you pull back, and it's more of the section of the pipe broken at the bottom that you can see. And you see right there, more breaks. Right there, some more breaks in the line. Right there as well, we have some breaks. Right there, still having breaks in the line. And after that, the line goes solid. But the bottom is holding up great.